of all events that happens in South Africa, why accelerator event Benny Mayengani for successful? Why?
Bele re botse di opeditse o bo di biditse tsona di go mistake mang ba go mistake mang di opeditse le re be santse ba di tlile ka fa re tseba gore bo di mashaba ke ba fitlile ka fa bo mashabela ba fitlile.
Yes, una le ba fitlileng ba bangwe ba fitlile ba o mishwa aba khona o performa because bangwe ba na le di-event somewhere. So event e be sa di thoma ka 12 mara di gate di butse ka 10:30 ya bosigo.
10:30 ya bosigo.
If about 5,000 Basika Stadium between 12 and 10 p.m., then Bara will do Melusana Stadium. So what should they tell their friends who are supposed to come to the stadium? Baba Butcher Regari Stadium, event here, don't even come.
La pele go tloga mo go ya pele Benny Mayengani go ya go diragalang ka baka la gore go ya ka wena o bonela ka netso tseba gore ai mo go ra gore ke tlhakatlhakano ya sepolitiki e dirileng gore tiragalo yo e se ka ba gone.
I went through a lot. But we go the government event because we member EFF.
Yeah, tabi ya ba member EFF go ka re go bolaisa wa bona.
So no, not brave. I'm brave. I'm the first national artist, song artist to fill the stadium. That will never change, and they will never take it away from me. I'm the first artist in Limpopo to fill the stadium, and no one will ever take that from me. I'm the first traditional artist in South Africa to fill up the stadium. They will never take it away from me. I have a huge fan base. We sold many tickets. We sold more than 20.